to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look how to withdraw on X earning network with a simple method. I know that many of you are finding it difficult how to withdraw. I'm going to guide you step by step how you can do that. Just stay tuned and subscribe for the YouTube channel. Okay, now if you have accumulated your point and you know that I have reached the minimum withdrawal, and the minimum withdrawal is from 100k point, and what you are earning here is XP, that is a token which they will convert it to the USDT, that's their native token. Now click on a withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, you see earning XP and withdrawal and referral earning. Click withdrawal. Here you're going to select the gateway of payment. You want to withdraw your XP with USDT wallet to the exchange that you copy it from, and that is where you can go and transact it and get your money to your local bank. Here changes, click here. It's already USDT being 20, and you're going to pay gas fee while you are doing this transaction. You should be aware. Now here you're going to copy it on your wallet, your exchange, the wallet address. You're going to copy it on the exchange that you're using. If you're using Bitgate or Binance, Bybit, but this video I'm making use of Bybit, how you can be able to copy it to find the wallet address on your Bybit. Okay, let us head on Bybit exchange, so I can go and copy our wallet address. Open your Bybit. As you can see, my Bybit is open. Go to asset. Are you seeing it? Asset. Click this side, asset. Now you click deposit. Click deposit. Select a payment method. Deposit crypto recommended. That is the one that you click. Deposit crypto recommended. Now this search button or dashboard, click here and type USDT. Now you look at this one, the first one you are seeing. Don't use the one that ended up with .e or B. Use the first one they are seeing, USDT. Click it. Now this is the place you're going to select the network. They say that is what being 20. That's BSC. That's the network, the smart chain contract. That's what you're going to use. Look at it here. I click it. Now I can be able to copy my wallet. I can be able to look at my wallet here. I can copy it and head over to my Web3 account where I can bind the wallet address. Now this spot you are seeing here, this is a place that I can paste the wallet address that I have copied from your exchange, like the way I copy from my Bybit. Paste it here. Are you seeing it? Paste it here. Now here, now you are going to consider the minimum withdrawal from this X earning network. They say that is from what, 100,000 points. That is the minimum withdrawal. And if you're having below that, you cannot be able to withdraw. You have to wait until you get up to that you can place for withdrawals. That's how it works. Now I myself, I'll click marks to know how many points do I have on my listing. I have 19,000. It's not even 20,000, which I cannot be able to place the withdrawal. In case those that is finding it difficult, you can see how I take it process by process, step by step, until I arrive at this point. I now have up to 100 points. That's why I cannot be able to withdraw. If you that is watching this video, please, if you have 100k, you can place your withdrawal and you're going to receive your money. A lot of my friends have been making money, $100, $60. Rest of them, just be consistent with the project. You're going to receive yours. That's how it works. Thanks so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it thumbs up and also subscribe and like and comment. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.